Is the US dollar-Swiss franc pair on the brink of a major breakdown, or is a surprise rally on the cards? The charts are showing a fascinating battle between buyers and sellers. Let's break down what's happening with USDCHF. Looking at the recent price action, the overall sentiment appears to be bearish. The pair has been in a clear downtrend, recently hitting its lowest point in 3 months. Many traders are seeing this as a sign that sellers are firmly in control. Let's look closer at the 4-hour chart. The dominant story is the downward pressure. The price is currently consolidating after a sharp fall, forming what looks like a pause in the bearish trend. A key resistance area has formed between 0.7940 and 0.7980. We're seeing multiple signs that this zone could act as a ceiling, with sellers likely to step in and push the price lower. If the price fails to break above this area, the path of least resistance seems to be down. A break below the recent support around 0.79 could trigger a fresh wave of selling, with potential targets at 0.7885. However, it's not a one-sided story. There's also a case to be made for a short-term bullish bounce. After hitting the recent low, the price has shown some signs of life. Some technical analysis suggests a possible retracement or a pullback back up towards the 0.80 level. This would be a counter-trend move, where buyers try to reclaim some ground before the larger bearish trend potentially resumes. A long-term bullish view even sees current levels as a potential buying opportunity. So, what are the key levels to watch? For sellers, the critical zone is the resistance between 0.7940 and 0.7980. A rejection from here would be a strong bearish signal. For buyers, a decisive break above 0.80 would be needed to suggest a more significant recovery is underway. For now, buying opportunities are seen as short-term against the dominant trend. To summarize, the primary trend for USDCHF is bearish. The key battle is happening right now, just below a heavy wall of resistance. Bears are watching for a failure at these levels to continue the push downwards. Bulls, on the other hand, are looking for a short-term recovery towards the 0.80 mark. The big question is, will resistance hold and send the pair to new lows, or can the bulls stage a comeback? With potential for high market volatility from upcoming U.S. news events, we could see a decisive move very soon. As always, manage your risk and trade safe.